Hi there, let's make one chicken tikka recipe which you're going to use in many other ways. Use the chicken tikka recipe as a starter, or you can also use as a side dish. You can also add it to your salads, subways, sandwiches, pizzas, wraps and gravies like butter chicken too. So let's start with the chicken tikka recipe first. So for the chicken marination here in a bowl, I'll just be adding 1/4 cup of thick curds. Next into this I'll be adding spices like chaat masala, pepper powder, jeera powder, garam masala powder, Kasuri Methi, Dhanya and haldi powder too. All the ingredients are mentioned below, so just check out the recipe there too. I've also added some salt and gram flour, that is besan. We're adding 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Next I'll be adding some red chilli paste to give a nice vibrant color. You can check out my recipe how to make this red chilli paste and store it. To keep the chicken moist, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. In place of the red chilli paste, you can also add Kashmiri chilli powder. Just give this marination a nice mix. This is done, we'll be adding some chicken pieces into it. So here I've taken some chicken boneless pieces. Just cube it to the size you desire, just around 1.5 to 2 inches. Add them all into the marination and mix it well. Once this is all mixed well, I'll be adding some freshly squeezed lemon juice over it. So I'll be taking juice of half a lemon. Add that too and mix this once more. To get the maximum flavor from the chicken tikka, you need to marinate this for at least 3 to 4 hours. And better if you keep it overnight. Keeping it in the fridge for the overnight, then let it come to room temperature before you could start cooking. I marinated this chicken overnight and the next day let's cook it. Heat a pan and add some oil into it. We'll be cooking the chicken tikka with minimum oil. Just spray the pan with some oil and place the chicken tikka pieces over it. Now for the first 1 minute, we will cook it on high flame till it gets the crust on both the sides. This will ensure that the chicken remains nice and juicy from inside. Once that is done, we will cover the chicken and cook it on medium to low flame. Now we will cook this for 5 minutes. After that, we will just continue cooking this for a few more minutes. You can also cook this in a grill pan or in the oven too. After this, I'll be showing how to cook it in an air fryer as well. After cooking this for a few minutes, you can check whether the chicken is done. This needs a little more cooking, so I'll just spray in some more oil and cook it for a few minutes more. Even while cooking on the pan, you can get the nice charred look for the chicken tikka as well. This is ready. Now let's cook it in an air fryer too. So we'll just put the chicken tikka pieces into an air fryer basket and spray in some oil over it. We'll go into an air fryer for 180 degrees centigrade for the first 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can just get it out and flip it over and spray some more oil and continue cooking. So after 10 minutes, I'll get the chicken tikka out, flip it over, sprinkle some oil and then add it back into the air fryer. Now same at 180 degrees centigrade, I'll just keep it for about 8 to 9 minutes. So this chicken tikka is ready too. Give it a nice smoky earthy flavor. I'll just put it in a plate and we'll just put in some silver foil inside. Place a live burning charcoal inside and pour some ghee over it. The ghee is going to create the smoke, so just cover it and let it be there till all the smoke dies off. This chicken tikka is ready to be served, so let's make some onion lachas to go along with it. So I've sliced here some onion rings and we'll just add in a little chaat masala, Kashmiri red chilli powder and a little salt. Squeeze in some nice fresh lemon juice and freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now mix this all well and an onion lacha salad is ready. Along with this onion lachas, let's make a dip as well. So once again, I've taken some curds and beaten it up a little. And into this, I'll be just adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of mint chutney. This is a pudina ka chutney. You can add as much as you want. This dip too goes very well with this chicken tikka. I'll be putting the detailed recipe all in the description box below, so do check that out as well. Now all we have to do is plate the chicken tikka. As the onion and dip, also sprinkle some chaat masala over this. This chicken tikka is ready to be served as a starter on its own. This can also be served as a side dish. We're showing you many other ways how you can use a chicken tikka, so do watch the video till the end. So first let's make an easy chicken tikka salad. To make a delicious salad dressing, here I'll be using 1 tablespoon of honey. Next into it, I'll be squeezing 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 or 2 teaspoons of the mint and dahi dip, and just a dash of a little pepper powder. Mix this all well and our dressing will be ready. You can add any veggies of your choice along with the chicken tikka. I have taken some cherry tomatoes, spring onion, salad leaves and red and yellow bell pepper. Just add them into the dressing and mix it well. This salad recipe too is also mentioned in the description box below. Next, we'll just be adding a dash of salt, as the other ingredients too have salt in it. And here I've taken some chicken tikka pieces, just made a small pieces out of it and added. Some bread croutons too. Once I've added all that, just give it a nice final mix. And with this, our easy chicken tikka salad is ready. You will surely enjoy the smoky chicken tikka pieces in this salad. Now, so the next recipe we'll be making this delicious chicken tikka wraps. For that I've taken a whole wheat Lacha paratha. Onto it I'll be spreading 2 teaspoons of the curds and mint dip. This mint dip I've added the regular pudina or mint chutney in it. I'll just layer some fresh salad leaves. For extra crunch we'll be adding the onion Lacha salad too. And add those smoky chicken tikka pieces here too. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice once more and a little more of chaat masala. Just roll it round and our chicken tikka wrap is ready. This is so delicious too and you can just have it right away. Then also add an aluminium foil for easy handling. So just like me, you too can also make the chicken tikka once and enjoy it in various ways. So now let's go to the next recipe, that is the chicken tikka mint mayo sandwiches. This too is really very delicious, so let's start making it. In a bowl I have taken half a cup of mayo, adding half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli flakes and a dash of pepper powder. I'll be adding 1 or 2 teaspoons of mint or pudina chutney. You can use any pudina chutney that you usually use. Putting the recipe for this too below. So now all we have to do is just mix this all well. Now next into this I'll be adding finely chopped spring onion and red and yellow bell peppers. I'll also be adding the smoky chicken tikka which has been shredded. Now once more we'll just give this all a nice mix. And with this our sandwich filling is ready. This can be used in the sandwich as well as in your tarts as well. This quantity of this filling you can make 2 sandwiches. So let's make them now. For all the veggies that I've used in all the recipes today can be customized as per your needs. And the spices too can be reduced or increased as per your preference. The sandwich is ready to be had as it is. You can also definitely add some cheese and grill it or even toast it. The chicken tikka mayo sandwich too is really very delicious and I hope you'll be giving this a try. So recipes for all these dishes are mentioned in the description box below. Do check it out there. See how easy it is to make one chicken tikka recipe and use it in a varieties of ways. Hope you all like all the recipes and do share it with your family and friends too. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to Garfin's Creation for more such lovely recipes. I'll see you in the next one too. Till then, take care and bye-bye.